Mostly sideways market, but new record highs. This is Market Action News, and I'm Marshall Moore. And here at the closing bell on Wall Street, we're settling at new record highs on the Dow and the S&P. We'll get to that in a moment. Economic news was mostly positive, but we did have some buts in all of that. We had productivity for the third quarter revised higher, a gain of plus 2.3%, up from plus 2%. But some of the bulls were looking for a plus 2.4 read there. Then ADP, Automated Data Processing, coming in with the job creation numbers for the month of November, and they were higher by 208,000. The problem was wages lagged, and we did see that they were expecting a gain of 225,000. So a bit of a disappointment there, but not enough to start the market to the upside for the most part throughout the day. We were working it steady, and the industrials at the close now up 33 points. We're up 33 points. We'll wait for the final print on that and make it official in a moment. The NASDAQ up 18.66 at 4774.47. The S&P 500 at a new record high, closing at 2,074.33, and that's a gain of 7.78. And the Russell was up more than a percentage point, a gain of 12.55, right at the closing bell at 11.81, just under. And oil up 50 cents. A bit of a surprise here. We did see a drawdown on inventories, but up 50 cents, $67.30 the barrel. And gas prices actually at 5-year lows when they settled today. Gold up $9.30 on the active contract, closing at $1,208.70 there. And let's mark it official. The Dow Jones Industrials, drum roll please, up 33.07, mark them at 17,912.62. Don't never unless you will. Remember, those who do and those who don't do everything everybody else does. More later.